Is your garage door stuck like this? Or simply not performing as it should? A damaged garage door cable isn't just a minor hiccup. It's a ticking time bomb. But don't worry. For residents of Council Bluffs and nearby areas, Titan Garage Doors NE is on the way. Our licensed technicians quickly diagnose and fix issues, ensuring your garage door gets back to its best. From garage door repairs to full-service installations, trust Titan Garage Doors NE. Call us at 402-513-0255 for a free quote or visit www.titangarageDoorsNE.com to learn more.